I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Lexy shoulder bag. The color here is the midnight blue. This particular bag comes with the pebbled leather, as you could see here. It's really nice because it's a bit more scratch resistance. This bag comes with the gold color hardware. As you could see here, it has the 3 rings. It comes with the Coach logo here. And it's hiding. It has a leather hand tag on one side, right here. And this is a side. And this is the bottom of the bag. And with the Lexy, it's very similar to Phoebe. It's just it's slightly smaller. With this bag, it's really nice. It has 3 separate compartments. I just stuck some paper on one side here. It has 2 slip pockets and a really deep pocket on one side. It has a zipper pocket on the other side and it comes with the linen lining. And it's really nice. You could put your wallet and everything in the middle compartment here. See here, so it's really big. Oh, let's zip it up. It's harder to zip when the bag is empty, obviously. And it has a magnetic clips to close the bag up. And let's compare this to the dimension of the water bottle. As you could see here, you could probably easily fit, I would say, probably about 5 to 10 water bottles. Obviously, it's probably going to be heavy for the bag, but you can definitely do it. The dimension of this bag here is about 13 inches in length. It's about 10 3/4 inches in height and about 5 inches in width. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.